Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your math teacher from IYS school. Before starting the lesson, I have some instruction for you. Kindly follow them strictly. Listen the lecture very carefully. Don't disturb the teacher and other participant during lesson. Don't unmute yourself and don't turn on your video during teaching. Don't raise hand during teaching. If you have any question to ask, kindly note it down and ask at the end of the lesson in chat box. And keep all necessary things with you like rough copy, stationery box and textbook and so on. And don't miss any lecture. If there is any disconnectivity during teaching, try to rejoin again within 3 to 5 minutes. I hope you all have followed this instruction strictly. Now we are going to start our lesson number 10, chapter number 10. The topic is subtraction and the page numbers are 33 to 36. Today we will learn about the subtraction of one digit number, means we subtract the numbers of one digit number and solve the word problem of subtraction. Now look at this board. Here how many balloons are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 balloons are here. From 9 balloons, we shoot from 9 balloons, we shoot 5 balloons from 9. So how many balloons are left? Counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 balloons are left. After shooting 5 balloons, we have left 4 balloons. In mathematicals, how to write this? So, as you know, there are 9 balloons were there. So, we write the number 9 and how many shoot? 5. So, we write 5 in a downward of the 9. We write the number 5 and put the sign minus because we are asking here how many balloons are left. So we put the sign here minus. After putting the sign, we subtract 9 minus 5. So how many left? 4. So there are 4 balloons are left. Now, subtraction operation, we find how many are left or what remains. So this is the process of subtraction because we are finding here how many are left or what remains. So this is the process of a subtraction. In subtraction, we use the sign minus. This line shows the minus sign. When we see this sign between two numbers, so it means we subtract these. We subtract these numbers. So, okay, look at here. How many twice are here? There are, yes, counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 twice are here. And from 7, 2 twice are broken. 2 twice are broken. As you see here, the mark here on 2 twice, it means these 2 twice are broken. So how many twice are remain? How many twice are remain? Yes, tell me. There are 5 twice are left or remain after 7. There are 5 twice are left. Let's look at the way to write the subtraction. This is called horizontal subtraction. This is a way of horizontal. In horizontal, we write the number first 7, the total number of write the total number of first 7, then put the sign subtraction in right side, then put the other numbers and then put the equal to sign and then write the remaining or left here write the answer after putting the equal sign. So this is the way is called horizontal subtraction. Okay, the next one is vertical subtraction. In vertical subtraction, in this way, we write the number first, 7, write the 7 number first, and after 7, in downward, we put the number 2. And after putting 2, in the left side, we put the sign minus and then draw the line. And after subtracting two numbers, we get the answer. So we write this answer downward of the numbers. So this is called a vertical subtraction. Yeah, this is the way to vertical subtraction and this way is called horizontal. Some terms are also used for the numbers in subtraction sentence. Okay, here the number 7, what we call it? It is called minute. Minuend because the minuend means the number from which the other number is subtracted. Other number, which number is subtracted here? 2. So the number from which the other number is subtracted, it is called minuend. What we call it? Minuend. So, okay, what is the name of this? Next number 2. The number that is subtracted because 2 is subtracted here from 7. So, the number that is subtracted, it is called subtrahend. What we call it? Subtrahend. Okay, next one, after getting the subtraction, we get the answer. So what we call it? It is called difference. What we call it? Difference. The number that tell us how many left, it is called difference. I repeat again, the number from which the other number is subtracted, it called minuend. The number that is subtracted, it is called subtrahend. The number that tell us how many left, it is called difference. Okay, and we can also say the total number of is called minuend and the number that is subtracted is called subtrahend. The answer which we get after subtracting these numbers, it is called difference. I hope you all have understood. You must know about the term of these, okay, what we call it, what we call these numbers. So we must know about the term minuend, subtrahend, different. What is different? What is subtrahend? What is minuend? So I hope you all have know about it. What is minuend or what is difference? Now here we have 5 cups of ice cream. As you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write the number 5 first. Then from 5 we eat 3 cups. So how many cups are remain? So first we write the number 5. These 5 show the total number of ice cream cup. And this 3 is show which are taken away, which are used, which are eaten. So 5 minus 3, we get the answer how many left? We left, how many left? As you see, 1, 2. So we write the answer 2. It is called, this 5 is called minuend, 3 is called subtrahend, and 2 is called different. 2 is a difference of 5 minus 3. We can read it. 2 is a difference of 5 minus 3. And this is a way of vertical way. Nice. Now, again, here we have 5 cups. So, we write the number 5, then put the minus sign in the right side, then put the 3 is eaten here. 3 cups are eaten. So, 5 minus 3, and right side, after 3, right side we put the sign equal to, and then write the answer after putting the equal sign. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. This is the way of horizontally. Now, subtract and match. Here are two groups of sum. In group A, we have the subtraction sum, and group B have a answer. So, first we solve it and match with the correct answer. Okay, which answer is correct here? Because here we have the answer 8, 4, 2, 5. So, after 4 minus 2. From 4 we minus 2, we get the answer. We get the answer 2. So, we match it with the correct answer by using ruler. So 4 minus 2, we get the answer 2. Okay. The next value is 7 minus 2. We subtract 2 from 7. So 7 minus 2, which answer we will get? Yes, we get the answer number 5. Okay. If you you can use your finger and lines by for subtracting. Okay, you count the 7 fingers on your hand, and then to subtract them. So how many left? 5. So you match it. The correct answer is 5. Okay, the next number is 9 minus 1. 9. So we take the 9, draw the 9 lines and cut from 1. So how many lines are remain? Yeah, how many left? So we match with 8. And now you count with your finger. You take a 9 fingers, and 1 is minus 8. So we left, how many fingers are left? 8. So we match, the answer is with 8. So 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Okay, the next number is 5 minus 1. When we minus 5 from 1, so we get the answer 4. So this is the correct answer. 4 minus 2, we get the answer 2. 7 minus 2, we get the answer 5. 9 minus 1, we get the answer 8. 5 minus 1, we get the answer 4. Now, what problem? In what problem? We give the word, and you can solve in mathematical. So here the what problem is given here. Aisha had 5 flowers. Aisha had 5 flowers. She gave 2 flowers to Ali. So how many flowers are left? For this word problem, okay, we explain this word problem through picture, and you learn very well. She is Aisha, and she has how many flowers? She has 5 flowers. She has 5 flowers. She gave away 2 flowers to Ali. He is a Ali. So she gave 2 flowers to Ali. So how many flowers are remain or how many flowers are left to Aisha? So for this, obviously, she gave away, so it means we subtract from 5 from 2. She subtract 5 minus 2, so she get the answer. How many left? She left 3 flowers. Now in mathematicals, how to write? How to write? First we write word problem. Okay. In word problem, first we write the word problem. Aisha had 5 flowers. She gave 2 flowers to Ali. How many flowers are left? So for this, first we find the identification of operation and then solve it. What is the how to solve it? And then find the result. For this, identify the operation. How to identify the operation? What operation we use here? Okay, through this. How many flowers are left? The left term is used for subtraction. So we write the spelling of subtraction here. So after writing the subtraction, we solve it. So first we write the number. How many flowers Aisha have? 5. So we write the 5, number 5, and then she give. How many give to Ali? She give away 2 flowers to Ali and then put the sign left side of 2 and then draw the lines downward of the numbers, and after writing this 5 minus 2, we solve it. We get the answer. How many flowers Aisha left? She left 3 flowers. So this is a solution. First we write the identification of operation and then solve it. After solving, we write the result. Okay. Now, Aisha left 3 flowers. As you see here, the answer is 3. She left 3 flowers. So you write here, Aisha left 3 flowers. I hope you all have understood this word problem. Now, let's share the other word problem. Word problem, there are 4 jugs of water. In this word problem, there are 4 jugs of water. All the 4 jugs are broken. So how many jugs are left? So how to solve it? Again, we explained it through the picture. There are 4 jugs. As you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 jugs are here. So, and 4 jugs, all 4 jugs are broken. So how many left? After breaking, so first we write how to solve in mathematical. So there are 4 jugs of water. All the 4 jugs are broken. So how many jugs are left? This is a problem. So first we again identify the operation and then solve it and then write the result. So what is, as you write here, the how many jugs are left? Left is show the subtraction. This term is used as in the earlier we share for finding the for finding how many left, how many remains. So we use the term subtraction. So we write here the subtraction here first, then solve it. How to solve it? We solve it. First we write the total number of jugs. There are 4 jugs, so we write the number 4. And right side, because we are, which operation is used here? Subtraction. So we put here the sign minus, minus, and then all the 4 jugs are broken. It means 4. We have 4 jugs and 4 are broken. So we write the number next 4. So what is the answer of this? It is equal to 0, because 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 4 jugs are here, but all the 4 jugs are broken, so it means there is no jug there. So we put the 0 here, and how to write the results? 0 jugs is left because all the 4 jugs are broken. It means if the number are same, 4 minus 4, so we get the answer 0. Any number, we can take any number. For example, 8 minus 8, it means the answer is 0. If the same number subtracted, so we get the answer 0. Now circle the correct answer. This is MCQs, and that is help for you. There are 5 MCQs are here. We solve first. 8 minus 5. So you subtract 8 minus 5 equal to dash. So which answer is correct? 2, 3 and 4. After subtracting 5 from 8, we get the answer. Yes, yes, we get the answer 3. So we circle on 3, or you can tick on 3. So this is the correct answer. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Okay. The next one is 4 minus. Here we show the numbers, but here we write through the statement, through the sentence. 4 minus from 9 is equal to dash. So first we share what does it mean. 4 minus. The 4 minus from 9. Here we have the number 9, total number of 9, and 4 minus from 9. So we get the answer. Which answer we get here? 5, 6, 7. So 9, it means 4 minus from 9 means 9 minus 4. So we get the answer 5. When we subtract 9 minus 4, so we get the answer 9. Okay. The next one is take away. Take away, give away, left, remain, different. These are the terms used in subtraction. So take away and left term are used in dash. Yes, in addition, subtraction or multiplication. You know, in addition we use the term altogether, total number of. In addition we use the term altogether, total number of. In subtraction, we use these terms, take away and left term or remain. So we circle on subtraction option. This is the correct option. Subtraction is the answer of this blank. Take away and left term are used in subtraction. Okay. 6 minus 6. Again, here we see the same number. 6 minus 6, we get the answer 0, 1 or 6. Obviously, if the number are same and we are subtracting here, so we get the answer 0, because we have 6 rupees and we use 6. Yeah, we give away to 6 rupees another person. So it means we don't have. So we put here the 0. Okay, next one is 6 minus 2 is equal to. Again, we use this problem through the sentence. 6, the first number is 6. 6 minus. So 6 minus 2 is equal to. This is like this. 8 minus 5. But in mathematical, we write through the symbol, through the number. But in the sentence, we write the spelling. 6 minus 2 is equal to dash. So we get the answer. What is the answer? 6 minus 2. We get the answer 4. So we take or we circle on 4. F-O-U-R 4. Okay, I hope you all have understand this MCQs. Now, come to the home task. Do page number 34 and 36 in textbook. This is your book task. You have to these page in your book. Do page number 34 and 36. Do this page in your textbook, in your book. Okay. Next one is do the last word problem of jug and MCQs in your fair copy. Do the last word problem. Which problem? Last word problem. Jug. This problem, which is given on your, which you are seeing on your screen, take a screenshot of this word problem because you do this word problem in your fair copy. So you take a screenshot of this word problem because you are doing in your copy. And the other one is MCQs. MCQs. Also take the screenshot of this MCQs because you are doing these MCQs in your fair copy. Are you getting my point? Word problem, word problem, this word problem, and these MCQs you are doing in your fair copy. You are doing in your fair copy. So first you make a title page of subtraction, then do the MCQs first, and then word problem. Okay, I hope you all have understood this topic very well. Inshallah, we will meet again in next topic. So, Allah Hafiz.